Alright, I think we're live. I am so tired, by the
Hello,
way.
welcome to
Like, I'm like
Third
extremely tired. So, if anyone's joining, just know I'm super sleepy. It's so bad. Let me get a good playlist on. This one? This one's good. This one's a good one. Alright. This is fine. I'm ready to show. I don't care. Alrighty. Oh, I didn't have a... Wait, is everyone a gamer or anything? I think so. No, not naive. Alright. I've added the Discord. We're gonna start now. Okay. So, where was I at before? I think I was placing objects and rotating them. I just finished rotating them. So, let's do build mode. Once we place an item, we can also then select it, move it again. And then we can also click on it and rotate it. I could add keybinds to rotate it, so like E and Q later, but that'll be later. Yo, Defective, what's up? Dude, I'm really excited for your game to be in beta. I want to test it out. It'd be so cool. Alright. The other thing I have to change is the shop can't. You can't buy something if. You need to go in 30 minutes. That's cool, dude. What do you got to do? You have to go to sleep or something? Probably not sleep. I don't know. I don't think you're that far ahead of me. I don't think. I don't know. Let me move this over here. Okay, so I want to fix this glitch thingy. Sleep? Oh, okay, cool. Alright, so I was technically wrong, but right at the same time. Alright, so in the shop. I think this is the shop right here. Build mode shop below. And I'll just put a bunch of spaces so I can see the differences. I guess I could separate these into modules, maybe. That would also be kind of useful. Or kind of cool. So that way I can more easily understand what's going on. But we'll do that later if it gets too chaotic. For now... So this is getting nilled instantly, so it's not like... Okay, so we're gonna do that. I don't know. I think I gotta keep it nil here. And then we'll do... selected part is equal to get. We're gonna do build mode. Build my mouse dot get selected part. Alright, so now we're gonna go here. We're gonna do copy this. We're gonna call this get selected part. And then we're just gonna pass through the selected part. You gotta sneeze, freak. Okay. Also, I'm feeling like super tired today, which also includes other things like my sinuses being a lot more stuffed. So I probably sound very nasally, and I have to apologize for that. Return selected part. So now I've selected parts and not. No, then we can't do that. Okay, I'm about to copy this maybe. Didn't have to. We're good. We're good. We're good. Okay. 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 We'll get well soon. Oh, I mean, it's not. I'm not sick, but it'd be nice if I didn't have to be nasal anymore. Okay, build mode. Now I shouldn't be able to. Ooh. Okay. So. Wait, that was weird. Okay, no, that's fine. That works. Right, that's good. But now for moving this, we can't click it. Okay, that's good. That's good. That's good. That's good. So that's good now. I should do E and Q should rotate just for simplicity's sake. But for now, it's good. Am I rotating the whole floor? Oh crap. Wait, that's kind of sick. Thanks, effective. Wait, I gotta limit this to like not the whole world. It has to be stuff in a tycoon. That's pretty funny. Okay, so yeah, this is an issue. This is an issue, a minor issue. So now on mouse use, if object is not equal to nil, then purchase. Wait. If I replace a object, linking JavaScript not to. Oh, sick. That's good. That's good to learn. You need to do Minecraft mods or something? What are you planning on doing with that? Just curious. Yeah, so it charges me money to replace it, which I don't want. That's what I thought was happening. Okay. So in here, this is an issue. This was just a temporary thing though. So in here, we should pass through a part price. Websites and other things? Okay, cool. That's pretty sick. I learned C# for websites and JavaScript too. Oh wait, what am I saying? That sounds so stupid now. What am I saying? I don't know why I read JavaScript is just Java. That's the Roblox thing. It's the Roblox where it says script on it everywhere. It's infecting me. But okay, that's pretty sick though. I don't know JavaScript that much, but I know it enough to search it up and get an answer of what I need. That's pretty sick though. You should definitely do that. Website stuff is pretty cool to get into. Okay, so if selected object dot parent is equal to, do I have placed objects? Let's do that. Then get return. Or just say selected object equals no. Or I should have a unselect. Or just a placing script. I feel like that'd be way better. That would be so much better. Okay, local function place object. You're gonna go now. Sadly, cannot play on today or Saturday for you. I may be able to stay for longer. Oh, okay. Cannot. No, you're good, dude. Have a good night. Sleep well. Don't get the sleep I had. It was really bad. Have a good night. So we're gonna do on the purchase one because that's where it was like being used. If can place, then should do place, not anything else in there. No. Place object. So now it's gonna just go through here, and we can call it there, and then we can call it down here. Place object. I'm also gonna need a price now. Local park price is equal to 0 for now, but this needs to get passed through. Purchase from shop, object, price. Price. Park price is equal to price. And this should be good. Now, we can do this, and we're gonna just do 50. Okay, I think everything's looking pretty good so far. What's up, Shade? How you doing? How's your I don't even know what time zone you're in. I forgot, or I don't know if I even knew. How's your project going? Your Tetris stuff? That's what I can't ask. I don't know anything else. Okay, so the next step is to make it so you can't rotate everything in the world. You can only rotate certain things, right? Did I already do that? No, I don't think so. Yeah, no. What the freak? It's not placing. It's not placing. I broke something. It's okay. That's alright, because I'll just fix it in a second. It works. I made it have a classic mode in advance. Sick. That's pretty cool. I'm gonna have to play it at some point. Okay, so where am I selecting the object? So right here. Local function select object. I'm gonna do this. Yeah, I could do this. This is fine. And then if selected object is equal to nil, we're gonna have to set this as a, no wait. We're gonna set this as a variable because I've called this way too much now. Where do I do that? Tycoon? I'll do next to Tycoon. Local, what's it called? What are all those functions? Nope, no thank you. Placed object is equal to that. So now this is going to turn into placed objects. It's not a list, it's the parent. So that way I can just check if the child are in that parent. Placed objects. Placide? I had Placide. That's crazy. I misspelled it. Alright, alright. Go back, go back. Let's fix this. Cool. You made a tic-tac-toe also? Oh my gosh. You're going crazy. What are you doing all of this in? This is not in Roblox, is it? Is it? I don't know. I have no idea. Error while loading. We're here. VS Code on your laptop? Okay. Well, like, what programming language are you doing? I forgot if you told me, actually. Player Tycoon, wait for child. Oh. That's why. It's because it's null. Okay, so... build my controller will pass through, pass through the player, or pass through the placed object, I guess. Let's make it look cool. Right. Yeah, because it doesn't... I'm not setting it outside, is it? I'll do, placed objects. You got the place objects. For the game stuff, it's all Python, but for some other testing stuff, I use HTML, Batch, and VBS. Okay. Dude, I gotta learn Python. That's my next step. That's my next one. I need to work on that. I want to do cool stuff at OBS, but I'm kind of working. I'm too lazy right now. Place objects. Equal to player tycoon. Wait for child. Place objects. No, where is it? Wait for placed objects. Right? Return child's instance with a given name. If the child does not exist, it will return a yield until towards it does. That should be good. What game or app should I add to Entertainment Pack next? I can't think on my own. You have Tic-Tac-Toe. You have Tetris. You could add Chinese checkers. That game's pretty fun. Or it's not Chinese checkers. It's, I don't know what it's called exactly. You could... I think it is Chinese checkers. I don't know. You could do Chinese checkers. You could do chess. You could do Go. Go is a fun board game. No, not... You know, hold on. I'm looking for... I'm searching up Go. Go board game. Why is it opening Gmail? Go board game. This one. I think I can send this. That one. I guess not. Go board game. Hold on. Why did it not properly send the link? That's the link, right? Is YouTube changing it? YouTube's changing it. Just search up Go board game. Just ignore my messages. These are useless. Those are options. I can only think of board games for some reason though. You'll try to start with chess because you're most familiar with it, and then I'll do other games. Yeah, you're welcome. Why does it not count you as a concurrent viewer? What is that? That's weird. Cause like the things, they'll put you in the credits. Yeah, let's go. You should put me for motivation and entertainment. Those are my credits. Okay, now whenever I call this, we're gonna pass through subjects. Where am I? Build mode module, player tycoon, single player tycoon. I'm gonna leave that as alone. I'll put you on motivation, entertainment, and ideas. Let's go. I get 3, not just 2. That's big. Hey, let me, is this gonna work? I don't even know what I was working on. Oh. Oh. Okay, well I can't click on anything apparently. Yeah, so I can't click anything, I guess, but we can't pick up the floor anymore, so that's a bonus. Okay. So unmouse, no, not move. Select object. Let's move select object up here. And then unmouse use. Oh, I'm not select object. Select. 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 Okay, so now do that. Okay, just return. So now we can select the object. If it's selected, then we can place it. And if the target name is equal to unpurchased plot, then we purchase it. And then if target parent name is equal to place objects, then edit object is called. Which is a very simple thing, because basically all that gets called is down here. But we're going through the GUI, so we can have the GUI do stuff. Okay, pretty good so far. Pretty good so far. No, we can't buy any. Can't buy it again. I should have a button for cancel. Ooh. It's purchasing even though we can't place it. We're gonna have to stop that. You think also add a tower defense style game along with some of the old Windows Entertainment Pack games, if you know if you know them? I don't know them. I actually don't. I don't know of any old tower defense games. But I don't know what we talk about. Why am I opening up Steam? It's like autopiloting. Okay, so whenever we click, we select the object. No, it's on mouse use. Where's that at? Here. So selected object's not nil. If can place, then purchase it. Purchase object should not have a can place. It should just purchase. But then it's just a function. No, it's gonna have place and purchase. Okay. Okay, so that should be good. So if selected parent is equal to place objects, then place object. Why does this matter? If selected object dot parent is equal to placed objects. Oh, that's because it's already a bot. It's already a purchase item. Never mind. Never mind. Never mind. So let's do this. Let's check in second plot. So place objects has nothing right now, and it still has nothing. Good. So it only gets placed when we actually place the part in. We can select it again. We can move it around for free. And we can rotate it. Alright. Perfect. Oh, okay. I guess I haven't fixed that yet. If selected object is equal to nil and selected object not parent is equal to placed objects. Do I have any water? Oh, that's not good. I do have water. I'm gonna get my water. Hold on. Alright. Alright, so now we shouldn't be able to pick up the floor. We think the oldest Windows version you've ever used is Windows 7? No. The oldest one that I can remember using, because I've used older versions, but Windows version history. The Windows that I use personally on computers. Hold on. I gotta find it. Okay, that's taking forever. I think it was Vista? I think Windows Vista is the oldest one that I used. As in, like, when it came out, type of thing. Not like using an old computer for some reason. Okay. Let's see. So is like the building kind of done now? I'm confused. Do we just need UI stuff now? I need a button to like cancel purchasing. Okay, so I need a button to cancel. hold on. I could just do like a little trash can at the bottom. So I give you like a picture of a trash can, and then whenever you hover over it with the object, you throw it away. Your old desktop that I talked about is currently in Windows 7, but originally had XP. Oh, dang. That's crazy. Old desktop you talked about. Yeah. Dude, I am so glad I am not, like, older. I'm so glad. I'm really happy with the area of computers I was born with. It's so nice. The fact that I can do stuff like this is so fun. But also, if I was born like 5 years sooner, I would have been like rich because I know a programming language. And at that point in time, anybody could just get money from being a programmer, which kind of like, you know, it's kind of cool. Kind of wish. So now I need to set up the shop and the cancel button. So I guess it's just straight up UI stuff now. So I think edit object UI is what I'm gonna be in. For now, I'll do a text button because I don't know what the hell else to do. And then we'll do. So the thing is here, right? I can call cancel. I can make this fully visible when where's the... I need the text stretched. Text scale? There we go. Okay. So now, whenever we select an object, we can have this menu pop up. Let's do that for now. That doesn't look beautiful, but it's like compact enough to not be weird, I guess. So maybe down here, because I remember these are kind of the same thing. So whenever I have a placed object, I should just fire this in here. I don't know why I'm doing it down here. Now, Gabe.replicated storage fire. Ah. What does the fire even do? Where do I connect it at? Somewhere up here, maybe? Right here. So print object editing. Because right now when I play... Yeah, this just gets added there. So the thing is, the edit mode GUI needs to be invisible. It needs to be disabled. And then this is fine. So we're gonna do starter GUI workspace. Not starter. How do I get to the starter GUI? You're gonna say something that will blow your mind. Go ahead, blow my mind. I'm waiting. I'm waiting. What do you think a mountain chicken would look like? A mountain chicken? What does that mean? What do I think it would look like? I guess just a regular chicken. Because why would it be different? I like how this song is also saying blowing my mind away. So it's like very convenient that you want to blow my mind while this song is playing. It's really funny. I need to figure out how to get the thing. Build mode UI. Oh, it's up here. I'm getting it up here. Oh, wait. I could just do this. So build mode UI and then edit mode UI is right here. I'm just doing game players, local player GUI. Okay. It's actually a big frog that's endangered. What? What does that mean? Hold on. Mountain chicken. What? That's so weird. I think you can see it if I do this. Can I do that? No, I can't. That's weird. Maybe, wait, hold on. Let me see if I can pull it up like this. Why am I trying to do this? I could just put it on the stream. What am I doing? Take it over here. That is so weird. Why is that a thing? What is it called? Oh my gosh, the contrast on my monitor is insane. Oh my gosh. Hold on, I gotta change this. This is so bad. Okay. This should be good. Dude, that was bad. Easy to do that in that bit. Mola molas look funny. Is that what they're called? I didn't even check. Mola molas. Ocean sunfish. It is weird. I don't really like fish, and this one's definitely not a fan favorite. What is that? Why is the fin so weird? Whoever designed it really stopped caring on this one. You can very much tell. It's funny. That's so weird. How do you know all these weird animals? Where are you getting this information from? So we'll do build mode. Enabled equals false. And then edit mode GUI. Enabled equals true. I actually need a another one. Can I pass through anything? I think I can pass through anything. So let's do. Let's do this. So fire. This will return a true because we're in. And then on the selected objects, we're going to return a false one. Because now we go in here and we go. So if we're in build mode, then we're going to do in build mode. And this will be in build mode. And then this will be not in build mode. Google mixed with having nothing to do on a Sunday night led to a lot of discoveries. It's funny. Was that yesterday, I'm assuming? I'm assuming. Alright, this should work now. So whenever we get into here. Send to index nil with parent. Why would I do this? I gotta do target. Dot parent. Okay, so if the target dot parent is equal to placed objects, that makes more sense. Okay, now go like this. We get the UI coming up. We can press cancel and we'll stop. Or we could just click off of it. Hopefully. Index no parent. Oh my gosh. We should do target. If target is equal to nil. Wait, no. Hold on. Okay, so if target is not null and the target parent is equal to placed objects, then we can select the object. Okay, good. Doesn't matter if there's a selected object already, unless we're building. If is moving, if moving object, then return, because we gotta cancel it. We can't select something else while we're moving something. Okay, that looks good. Now we should be good. Still not selecting. Why? Place object. Place object. Moving object equals false. There we go. There we go. There we go. It's not clicking anymore. It's not placing. Wait, what the heck? It placed that time. It doesn't place most of the time. That's weird. It play. Oh. That's the one spot you're not supposed to place. I think the placing's bugged. Like, why did that work? That's weird. That's weird. Right? That's weird. That's weird. Okay, okay. Okay, it's weird. Let's go check this something out. So on the mouse use, it's broken right now. Let's see. As one said in a CS game, Santa Claus is joining the terrorist forces. That's funny. I believe it. It sounds like something that would be in Counter-Strike. Why are we even doing this? It should be if can place. If you can place it, then place the object. That was kind of stupid of me. Why did I change that? Oh my. What the heck? Why doesn't it work? I think it's because it gets selected on click. It should be returning though, so I'm not sure why. Can I move this down here maybe? Yeah, that helps. That helps. It's just order of things I was doing. Alright, that works. That works good. That works good. We can't place it outside. But when I place it, it should be calling the other firing event. Wait, so when I place an object, it should be false. So when you place the object, it should fire the event of edit object event false. So now we're gonna print in build mode. Dot is build mode. In build mode. Now we're gonna play that. You're gonna speedrun making chests. Go for it. Go for it. You know how all the pieces work? I think that's the most important part. Time to concatenate boolean with string. So how do I not concatenate? Wait, what? So when I place it, it's true. It's not supposed to do that. Fire false. Okay, so if target's not nil and target the parent, then I think I just need to add the you play chess IRL, so it'll be easier. Oh, okay. Yeah, that'd be really easy. Chess is a fun game. Chess is a really fun game. Every once in a while. I don't play it all the time. But it's a good game. Alright, so if target's nil and parents, it's going to place object. And selected object is equal to no. We're just gonna have to do that also. It's not a choice. That's not a choice. Not a choice. Let's see. We should put this one at the front, realistically. Okay, so now that should be good. No, we're still not good. So this is so confusing. I remember the first time you got a laptop, your dad had given it to one of Hyde's friends. I put $20, or his friends. Put $20 of games into it, and I remember those first 2 months having a blast. I remember a similar kind of experience. It was more on my birthday. I got Little Big Planet, I think 2, for my birthday. I got it early. I got like 2 days early before my birthday, and I beat it before my birthday. So it was like I was playing a game 24/7 when I got it. It was the best thing ever. I still miss those days. Playing a game was the best thing ever, dude. It was genuinely like the best thing ever. Why is this always getting called? Okay, so dude, this is so confusing. Okay. So selected object is nil. Okay, so this is so stupid. This is so stupid. Oh, also, what games that what games do you remember that he downloaded? I feel like that's kind of important. The select object is nil, and target is nil, is not null. And target that parent is equal to place objects. Then we could select the object. There's some really obscure but fun games. Okay. There's old games then. There's some old games. So we shouldn't be entering. We should not be entering after we place, because it's right here. Then we return, and that's it. That's the whole thing. That's the whole thing. Place object should be false, so I don't know what's going on there. But also, we never get a false. We only get true. Let me hide this. Still getting it true. What? Why is it true? What? Why is it true? What the frick? We got that one. We literally have this single one calling it. If I set this to true, will it go reverse? So remember most of them: Farm Frenzy 2, Cake Shop 2, Alex Gordon's Sonic Adventure DX. Yeah, I don't know any of those except for like Cake Shop. No, not even. Farming Frenzy maybe. So why is it sending true? Why? What? Connects the given function to any event that returns. Underscore comma? It's still true. Bro, those are the OGs. I never played those. And I'm very sure I'm definitely older to use syntax, so I don't know how you know those games, but I know. That's funny. Syntax, can I ask you a question? This is kind of weird. Do you mind if I ask you something real quick? Sure. Alright, so as you'll see, I have this edit object event connected to enabling the UI stuff. So like when we go in building mode, we enable the building GUI or the editing GUI. In here, in the placed object, I have it true right now. But so like if I set this to false, right? So this is the only time this is ever getting called. I could control F for it. So this is the only time it's getting called. We're calling false on this event, right? So that way we could tell it, hey, we're not in the build mode. We're in regular mode, whatever building mode we're in. But I also have it printing. So like right here, we could see it's printing out too. So we know what's going on. But when I come here, it's true. It prints true. But that's the only time we're calling it. Why is it printing true? I don't understand. You ever heard of Alawar games or Tumi games? Absolutely not. So it's printing true, and it's always true. What are Alawar games and Tumi games, by the way? I've played Toontown, but that's the only thing that sounds like Toon. I don't know. Hey, buddy. So, yeah, syntax, I don't know what's going on. What remote are you using, by the way? It's, hold on. It's one of, right here. Bindable event. Watching this on my new school laptop. Should have gotten it 2 weeks ago, but didn't due to poor school. I just got a new laptop. New school laptop. You also meant Tumki, not Tumki to me. No. Still no. I'm gonna search it up so I can. Tumki games. Try use a remote event. Syntax, I can't use a remote event because they don't like local stuff, local to local. I tried that event already and it didn't work. Wait. Oh my gosh, there's no way. Oh wait, no, never mind. Alright, I don't know any of the Tumki games. I just searched up all their games. You want to upgrade, but it's not allowed, sadly. Yeah. Yeah, it's local to local. Because we're going from this script to this script, and I don't want to go back from this script to this script. I don't know how to get from the module out to here without constantly looping and being like, hey, is this true? Hey, is this true? Hey, is this true? I don't like doing that. It's gonna be weird. You love using a remote spy? What is remote spy? Remote spy. Roblox exploiting? What are you cheating for? What is that about? Check there's another parameter being returned. If I hover over here, it just says any. You've never used the remote that you're using. Oh, what? That's so weird. How have you never used this? It's so useful. There's an exploit for Roblox where you can see what scripts are being executed inside the game and you can modify those scripts in your favor. Whoa. What's up, Fake Red? Groza, can you not cheat, dude? That's actually crazy. That's actually wild, Groza. That's how you learn to code. Whoa, syntax. Whoa, chill out. I've got you guys like, you guys are getting recorded right now. I'm gonna expose all of you. Faker, you better not say the same thing. You haven't done it in years? Ah, okay. Well, that makes you a little better. You turned to the good side. Acros, is that a cry of fear profile picture? Okay, how about we turn this into a a string? Lol, 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 lol. It's still true. What the frick? Second. Not secret, second. I guess we're gonna learn this together, Syntax. No. Okay, never mind. So Syntax, I have a question. Other than this, now. How do I go from how do I send information from a module to a local script without looping, constantly checking for a variable if it changed or not? How do I make something like this where it has a connect function on it? How do I do that? That would actually be more useful than what I'm thinking about. Maybe not. I don't know. Put the function for that into the module. I don't know. Make a return for the module. This would work. Alright, well, I don't think you know what's going on, so I don't think you could use that information, unfortunately. Obviously this is an issue. What I'll probably do... Wait a second. Wait a second. Wait 1 minute. I think I figured it out. Wait. Bye, Groza. You're just gonna lurk now while I download all the apps I usually use. Alright, see you, Groza. Okay. That gave no information. Print in edit mode. Oh. I figured it out. I was doing it right. I was just naming it the wrong thing. Alright. Syntax, that's just my bad again. I make a lot of dumb mistakes. Oh, well. It's always false. That's the problem. It's always false. Okay. Now we do this. We already had the variable set. Shut up. The problem is I've done so many things at this point. I've named everything I could possibly imagine, and then when I rename it, I forgot it already exists. And by the time I work on something else, I'm working on something new, so I'm like, oh, does it work like this? I don't know if it works like this. And then I learned that it does work like that, so that it's just like, oh, okay, cool. Well, I made a mistake, but I would have known when I made that mistake if I knew it worked, you know? Okay, well, we can select, move, and purchase. And there's no bugs anymore. And then whenever I should create a function for this. Function editing GUI. Editing GUI. And then we'll pass that through. Only rotate and color now? Well, I have the rotation now. This is actually so good already. Wait, thanks, Syntax. I also need to do this one thing. So whenever we purchase from the shop, we need to activate editing GUI. Alright. Syntax, look at all my progress. Look at this. Oh my gosh, it works. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This needs to disappear though. Why is it not disappearing? Why is it not disappearing? I'm just looping. Unmask button down 1. No, that's fine. This is gonna go far. This should go far. The building mode is almost done. I just need to make the actual parts of this building stuff work. But I don't have anything built yet. You're gonna make it place on a server? Yeah, I will, but right now, Syntax, we're playing a single player game. It's the easiest solution. Why is it not disappearing? What the frick? I'm glad I'm making a single player game temporarily. Makes the whole world easy. Okay, so from here. Hey Oreo, what's up, buddy? Alright, when you didn't remember to not have any way for people to build stuff. I'm kind of confused by what you mean by that. To not have any way for people to build stuff. What does that mean? Like inappropriate stuff? I can't control them. What do you mean? I'm lost. Do this. Stuff that will make your game gonna get taken down. Wait, what? How do I do that? What? Like they can't build inappropriate stuff? I mean, it's just they shouldn't be able to make inappropriate stuff. I don't know if we get it taken down. Local function. Send to build mode. No, don't worry. It won't actually get taken down if people can build stuff like that. Oh, okay, cool. Because speed draw and stuff, a lot of people. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. I was like, because speed draw and drawing games let you draw whatever you want. So like people can just draw penises whenever they want, right? So like it's kind of like, you know. So it's not like the game's fault. It's just the user's fault, and then you just ban them from playing for doing that. But then they make another free Roblox account. So yeah. We'll send through the part. We don't have a part yet. Selected part is equal to build mode. Oh, it's not. Get selected part. What is the point of this? Oh, that's why. But you can check an account's age by doing like PLR the age, and it returns the amount of days since the account's been made. Oh, okay. So you can only play a game if like the account's only a certain age. That's pretty good. I like that. To build mode. We're not gonna send anything. Okay, so what? Then this should enable the editing GUI. But whenever we place the object, it still needs to get rid of the GUI. So right here. And it does. It gets rid of the GUI. You know? So it's doing its job. Where do I have two ends? Oh, what? Because I'm doing it in here. Hold on, let's do that. Alright. Oh my gosh. See this? See that? Now we play. We go here. Now when it places, it should stop. We're gonna stop this too. Yo, what's up, Wolf G? We're making progress. We're making a lot of progress. I'm doing a lot of coding adventures. We're gonna stop this. I'm so tired of this getting printed. Alright. Now, this should fire false. Wait, you have an outline and everything? Yeah, I do. I learned how to do that. It's pretty easy, actually. So whenever you select it, it outlines. See? You're trying to create a game, but it's not working. What's your game about? Or what's not working? I'm a pretty professional programmer, so I could probably help you. You don't know? What are you trying to program? You're trying to get an idea? Oh, so the problem that's working is the idea. I see. So whenever it plays it, it should stop, but it's not stopping. What is true from? Your brain is not braining. Well, what do you enjoy doing? What's something you like doing? Let's list a couple things. Oh. Whoa, 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 Wolfter. You can't say that. You can't say that. I don't know what you said, but you can't say that. Wait, I'm gonna turn off reactions. I hate reactions. Reactions are so stupid. You want to create an obby with the working GUI? What's the GUI gonna do? So that should work there. The problem is you don't know how to make GUI work. Wait, what do you mean? Like, you don't know how to start a GUI? Like this? What's up, Fake Red? Wait, Fake Red, did you leave and come back? You know, like scripts? Oh. And all of this. So, I guess brief rundown on how to work with GUI stuff. So I don't know all of it, right? But I know enough to work with what I'm doing. So basically, oh, you were playing with someone? Okay. So Wolf G. So when you start working on a GUI, you make sure your cat is not laying down on your keyboard, because the rest of this happens, obviously. Like, you see what's happening? I can't work like this. This is not good. So let's cancel that. Let's move him out the way. That's step 1, right? Make sure your workspace is a good environment. Wait, let's go back. Yeah, my can is like that. Okay, so this is a very valuable tip. Stop! Oreo, you're gonna make me punch you very lightly. Okay. Alright, we've got a clear environment now. So when you're working with GUI stuff, the first thing you want to do, in my opinion, is you want to get the GUI that you're working with. So in the starter GUIs for the player, you set up a GUI. So you set up the screen, and then you could add whatever you want inside of it. So I have a bunch of different text buttons in here. And then you get that, you get it from game, players, local player, player GUI. That's how you start. That's where you want to start, Wolf G. Good luck. Have a good luck with it. Good luck. Good luck. Fake Red, what are you playing? What were you playing with your friend? What game? What game? Okay, now the build mode's kind of like working, but not working. Doors, floor 2. Oh, okay. You won. Oh, nice. Nice. We still need to win. We still need a dub. So place object. I have so many functions. Oh my gosh. I can't look at this anymore. Target is equal to mouse dot target. That's the mouse move. I don't want that. Unmouse to leave. Don't want that. I also don't even if I'm ever going to use mouse leave anyways, so it's okay. No, stop. Okay. So selected object is nil and target is not nil. Add the placeable object. Let me set this as false. Let's see what happens. Okay, so it's obviously not this. But we're gonna keep it as false for now, I think. And then we can leave it. Oh my gosh. So place object is calling false. I know the issue is over here. It's calling GUI to be true. But like, I don't understand why it's permanently up when it's true here. Because I'm only calling once, right? I'm only calling it once. So why? You're using ChatGPT? Nice. I don't really like using ChatGPT. It's just a thing about me. What is going on? What are you doing? Just work. Why are you still visible? I'm only calling you once. Literally once. Literally once. Source not available. It's right here. Okay, we're calling it one time. Maybe we don't do this, you know? Maybe we don't do this. Let's go back. Let's set this to true. That is already true. Okay. Let's try working. Let's try this. No, so this isn't working. So it's you that's not working. Everything else is working. Okay, that's fine. It's this that's not working. Can I do valve? Maybe I do function, and then I do value, and then we do GUI value. So we're trying to get the value. We just need the value. There we go. Okay, that works. Editing GUI, true. Alright, now for the moment we've been waiting for, we can go into editing mode. We can rotate it before we place it. Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Let's go! It's done. Mostly. It's mostly done. I need a cancel button. Okay, so I need a cancel button. The cancel button is going to unplace. So if you're moving the object, it's going to go put it back to where it was if it was an existing object. And if it's not a new object, then we're going to just delete the object. So, in here, we need to go down here. Editing mode dot move object. So text button, we're gonna rename this to cancel button. Cancel button. Dot mouse move down one. Almost that cancel action. We're gonna call cancel action, and then in here we'll create a function called cancel action. Okay, so now we'll do BC controller dot cancel action. Okay. We got something working. Okay, so now that we have the cancel action, if selected object dot parent is equal to placed object, then we can do something else. And if it's not, then we're probably just gonna delete it. Okay, why did everything just open? Game that replicated storage. I do like that idea. That is a good idea, Roblox. Dot edit object event. Fire. False. I like that idea. Well, we're just gonna do that at the bottom, actually. Okay. Now, inside of this one, we need to initially save a location. So local position. Heart position. Or we should do original position. Original position is equal to nil. And then whenever we select an object, selected object dot position, and then we do original position is equal to selected object dot position, and then whenever we cancel, we do place object, and then we do the selected object dot position. When we set the position, selected object dot position is equal to original position, and then We place the object, and then we're done. Or else, how do we delete an object? Selected object dot. I gotta search this up. This one's a little on the object, on the things of my not knowledge. Let's go here. Roblox, delete selected object. Delete, not selected. Delete part. I did part. They made an instance. No new. User input service, replicate storage. Yeah, I don't care. Part destroy. Oh, okay, cool. Sick. Thanks for the quick tip. I would have. That's pretty funny. I don't know why they put it so low. Ow, ow! Stop biting me! Play with your toy. Not me. Okay, now let's see if it works. Because it should work already. Wait. So let's go ahead, get into build mode. Let's place this here on the edge. And then we'll do this. If we cancel, it deletes it. Cool, cool. The problem is this is now not possible. Not possible. So then we do selected object is equal to nil. Probably after we destroy it, not before. Okay, so we do that. Now we do that. And now we can still. The index nil with position. Do I do the C-frame? So selected object dot C-frame dot position. And then selected object wherever the cancel is, way down here. Selected object dot C-frame dot position. Now we should be good. Place. No. What's going on? Maybe because I have to put it below that. That works. Okay, now we should be good. You're back. Finally working. It's rough. At least you're back. At least your Wi-Fi's working again. Okay, perfect. We can click on it again. Move object. Now, if we press cancel, it should go back. No. Position cannot be assigned to. What? That's not true. That's not true. That's not true. I know that's not true. On mouse move, selected object dot position. Wait, what? What? What's this? Oh, wait, I don't need C-frame. I was just trolling because okay. Now we're true. Now we're true. Okay. Let's do that. Now we move object and we cancel. Nice. Nice. Now it's red. Nice. Okay. Okay, now the color is also not the right color. Alright. Local original color is equal to nil. And then I'm going to reselect the object. Original color is equal to selected object dot color. Does it have a color? Yeah. And then we go down here. And then we do selected object dot color is equal to original color. Perfect. Now the build mode is pretty much completed, I think. So if I do this over here, cancel. That's not it. That's not it. I'm almost there. I'm almost there. Hold on. I'm so close. I'm so close. Attempted index nil with color. Oh, we gotta do it up here. There we go. Can't. I hate doing that. I hate doing that. I do that so much. Makes me code twice. One of those actually kind of difficult to make, and you're really close. Dude, I know. I'm so excited. Okay, move, move. Cancel. Yes, baby! Let's go! Fake red. The reason that I also made this my primary task is because I know it's going to be hard to do. And so if I get it done, then I'll be like, okay, I can do the rest of it. I can do the rest of it. I believe in myself. But yeah, this is pretty sick. This is pretty sick. I'm excited. The build mode is basically done. I gotta tweak some things and make the camera work a little bit better, but this is pretty sick. This is working pretty well now. Alright. I thought this was gonna be a lot quicker. Because, as you see right here, I thought this was like a quick thing, and this is not. Working on a GUI for rotation and moving and stuff, it was not a quick thing. That took me a couple of days. With a lot of patience. But yeah, this is good. This is good. Now we're working. We're working with something. Mario, what are you doing? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Now I gotta work on the shop a little bit more. That was my next goal, but I don't know if I'm gonna get that done today. it's a little ambitious. Alright, my question is, can I, in the build mode, I'm going to enable it temporarily. When I move something, can I take it off screen? Oh, I can. I can. Well, coding takes a lot of time, and it's also difficult. It is difficult. It's not difficult. Specifically, the learning portion of coding is difficult. I don't know. I think learning. Most of coding is learning, to be fair. But once you know it, you just redo it over and over again, and it's easy. But getting to that point is the hard part. So the fact that I can move it off screen is good, because I wanted to have a sliding shop of objects, and I could have different categories on the top. So I'll have picture lists right here, and then I have a bunch of categories up here of what I would want. But if you're saying at least 7 things, you can kind of get how things work. Yeah, I mean, if you know at least a couple things, you'll be able to make it. It's just about getting to that point. But I mean, I think programming is still constantly a learning experience. Oh my gosh. Why am I recording? Why is OBS recording? Stop it. Stop. We're not doing that. Oh, also on my friend server, we roll for characters. I don't know if you guys have ever seen this, but you could roll for anime characters, and then you can claim them. And then there's only one of that character. And I don't care about anyone. But yeah, I'm doing that right now. But you can get basically any anime character. It's pretty cool. I enjoy playing this game. This mini game. I'll claim that, sure. I don't care. I just wanted to show that because that's what I'm doing. Anyways, so the fact that I can move this left and right is good. Is good. And no, wait, Wolfie. Wait. Why are you quitting? What are you quitting on? It's not a bad thing to quit. But what are you quitting on? I want to help you out. What's difficult about it? What's the first thing you're trying to do? Like making it look good? Or what do you mean? Like let's work on here, Wolf G, work on one thing at a time. Let's stick on the GUI thing. What's difficult about a GUI thing right now? Let's take a moment. Take a moment to breathe. What are you struggling with on GUI? The stage system? What do you mean a stage system? About its functionality. I'm assuming you're not talking about placing things. Well, what's the GUI supposed to do? Like, what is the function of the GUI? That is an important question. Show the stages so that we can, like, a checkpoint. Like you want it to appear and have a picture of the checkpoint you're at. No, the text label changes the number every checkpoint. Oh, okay. So, here, let me do this. Let me put my music back on, so that way it's not abysmally quiet here. I'll put this one on. Okay, so you want the text label to change every time you get to a checkpoint. So what we can do is a couple things. So first of all, we could do. So let's say we have different. Like let's say each block here is a checkpoint, right? So these have all their own collision pieces. Oh, wait, why is it not clicking this one? I don't know why it's not clicking now. Let me reset this. Being weird. Oh, that's why. Okay, so each of these have their own function for. They have their own scripts on here for on collision, right? So whenever you touch it, it does something. It's platform. So I get the platform for script.parent, and then it's platform.touched connect fade. So every time it gets touched, fade gets called. I don't know why this is having an issue. That's okay. So instead of fade doing whatever it's doing in here, what we can do is pass through something. Oh, that'd be interesting. Let me see. So we have a connecting on the block, and we have a function that we can call here. Or you could do a remote event. So that's what I've been doing over here. If you do a event and you do a bindable event. So this will be on checkpoint reached. So now we have an event. Whenever we touch a block, we can actually say, hey, let's do what is it, game dot duplicate storage. So game replicated storage dot. Yeah. Go ahead. What is it? On checkpoint reach, fire, and it will pass a number through. Oh, that Wolfg, that's what I'm trying to do. I'm helping you with it. Oh, in the studio. Let me explain this really quick, and then see if you can understand this, and then I'll come into your studio. I think I don't know how to do that, but I'll help you. I'll help you in the studio after I do this if you're okay with that. You're not okay with that? Look. I need you to understand the concept before I do it. You know what I mean? Like, you started scripting a week ago. Wolfg, I started scripting half a week ago. I'm just kidding. I've been scripting like 2 weeks, I think. Syntax, can I get a verification on that one? let me search this up. I've started very recently, Wolfg. I've not been programming that long on Roblox. Fake right, you're good. Wolfg, I started I think 9 days ago, 10 days ago. So do you understand like adding up a script to a part? Do you understand that? I'll just add you. Okay, so you know how to add script. You know about bindable events? That's what I'm trying to like. I'm trying to guide you to it like one at a time. Like it's one step at a time. If you don't know bindable event, I'm showing you right now. Events, I don't even know one thing. That's perfect. That's perfect. That's fine. You don't need to know that much. So basically an event is whenever you call it, everything that's attached to that event can also say, hey, oh, this got called, so I'm going to do something. That's kind of how an event works. It tells everything that's attached to it to do something. The way to initiate it in Roblox, you just click the plus and you create an event here. And the one I'm working with is on checkpoint reached. So if I'm starting from here, and you know how to check for collision, which is just your object dot touched, and then you do connect, and then you connect it to your function that you want to use. This is the basic steps that I'm using right now for the stuff I'm doing. Right? Do you understand this much? This much is pretty simple. This is just connecting your collision to a function. Except, here, let me open up Roblox. Yeah, I think I do. Yes. All right. So yeah, basically you connect your touching to a function. And now, since we made this, it's called a bindable event. It's for local stuff. So I would recommend using this for now. You create a bindable event and you rename it to whatever you want that fits you. Mine is named on checkpoint reached. So I made this one. I just renamed it checkpoint reached on its right side. And so now, whenever I want to get this, if my obby will go viral, I will tell you. Dude, input your grade. Yeah, credits. Let's go. But I promise you, Wolfg, if you spend 5 more minutes with this really quick when I explain this, you'll get it done. Because it's pretty simple once you just know the steps how to do it. So you got your event and you've renamed it. That's perfect. Now what you can do to access the event is you do I think it's game. You do game replicated storage because you're in the game and you're getting this replicated storage thing right here, and then you're getting the actual one. So you're getting the on checkpoint reached. That's what I called it. So I'm getting replicated storage and then checkpoint reached is right here. Now when you do the semicolons, there's a couple options you can do in here. The one that we're looking for is fire. So it fires the bindable event. So basically it just says, hey, we're causing this action to go through. So whatever is attached to this, do something. We're not actually doing anything here. And for the sake of simplicity, now we go to the GUI. Please accept. Oh wait, I didn't open it. There you go. I'm pretty sure it's 810. Is it 810? Is that good? Was it 810? You're in? I'm in. Go to my game. This one? In the editor. How do I do that? Go to share games. How do I go to share games? I don't know. Oh, we're here? Share it with me? Okay, I see it. Okay, I'm here. Alright, Wolf G. So you want me to show you how to do it on yours right here? You need GUI. So you go to starter player, you have the GUI here. Okay, you're getting it? You already got it? Well, do you need a button or do you just need a number? I guess so you can go back to the checkpoint you're at. Alright. I'll do this really quickly with you. I don't want to just like... I don't want to do it for you one for one. I need you to like learn how to do it so that way you can do it in the future. So I'm gonna like kind of guide you with... That's why I was showing you my program. That's exactly how people should teach coding. Yeah, no, I don't wanna tell him an answer because it's not... He's not... You know, people aren't gonna learn like that. I'm also... By the way, if you care about these boats, I'm deleting them because they're causing like slight frame drops whenever I start the game. I don't like that. It's kind of annoying. Alright, Wolf G. Are you ready for me to show you how to do it? You ready? You ready? Yep, okay. So, on the top, just create a new part. We'll get a new part here. I'll do this. I'm gonna put this closer to my spawn. So create a new part. Attach a script to it. Doesn't matter what type of script. And then we're gonna do part is equal to script.part, our parent. And then we're gonna call a random function. We're gonna do a local function. So local. Let me copy real quick. Yeah. Local function. Checkpoint. And then we're gonna give it a variable. This will be var. Or this will be a number. And then we're gonna do part dot touched connect. I'm gonna do function. The reason I'm doing this is because... Wait, no, I don't need a variable. Here, what am I doing? We don't need a function, a number up here. I lied. Alright, so just connect checkpoint. So let me make sure you're doing that. Workspace, part. Alright. So yeah. Get your checkpoint and then connect it to the part collision. I'd probably get rid of the things you have in there, but that's okay. I'm watching you type it out, so that way you're caught up to me. So you gotta make it a capital T. I'll do that for you. Then you'll connect the checkpoint. There you go. Yeah, it should work. Just make sure you have everything, like, you don't have any, like, missing variables or numbers or whatever stuff. And make sure everything's capitalized. But yeah, that's good. So now, in your replicated storage, over here, you can see it on yours. It's currently empty, so you're not going to have this arrow. Just hover over it and press the plus. And then search up bindable event. And then add that to your thing. So right here on replicated storage, press the plus, and then bind and search up bindable event. Alright, so I see you made it. You named it stage. That's okay. You can name it whatever you want. Oh man, I hope I didn't break my phone. We're good. Alright, so you name it whatever you want. Now inside your checkpoint function, you're gonna want to fire it. So go to on, for mine it's called on checkpoint breach. So we're gonna do game dot replicated storage dot on checkpoint reached, and then we're gonna do fire, and then we're gonna pass through, a number. The number is going to be the checkpoint number. So this, I'm gonna put 1. The script is, we're in the same script. Just let's focus on one thing right now. Just put this in here, and the checkpoint. So you see this? Yeah, we haven't moved yet. And then instead of calling it on checkpoint reached, you're gonna call it stage. So you're gonna do game. This was autofilled. You could just erase that. That's nothing. Yeah, I deleted it for you. It just got filled in automatically when you made your checkpoint function. And then you'll see it autofilling. So just press tab when you see replicated storage underneath it. So right here, you need a capital S. Here. Wolf G, slow down a little bit. So don't just copy my code. My code is slightly different than yours. My code is very slightly different. So make sure you have it replicated storage perfectly. Okay, that's good. And then now when you do dot, you should see yours. Yours is called stage. So right here. So this function, this isn't gonna work for you. You're gonna need to do stage. Because you called your stage. Yeah, that's good. So now you do that, and you do fire. And then I'm passing through a number. I'm passing 1 because that's the checkpoint number. All right, now you have to have a script. You need another script that manages the GUI. So I'm gonna pull yours over. The way I do it is I add a script into here. This is yours right now. Can you send a request on Discord? Can you send a real quick on Discord? Send what on Discord? The link on Discord? Discord? I'll send that. I don't know if that's what you mean. Send you what script? I don't have a script made. No, I'm not. I don't have a script made yet. I'm gonna work on it with you. That's what I'm talking about, Wolf G. I'm talking about. I'm doing this with you right now at the same time. We're doing the exact same thing at the exact same time. So on yours, because this is how you're gonna learn. If you don't do it at least once, you're not gonna learn. And you're gonna have to do it multiple times to keep learning it. It's just how coding works. I don't wanna just do it for you because then you're never gonna learn, and then you're gonna get frustrated next time you have another issue. So now you see in here your starter GUI. The way I did it in mine. Dude, my cat is so annoying right now. The way I did it in mine is I made a script inside of the screen GUI, and this is a local script. So inside of your screen GUI, I'll do this for you. Or actually, you should probably do it. Click on this plus and do local script. And now inside of this local script, we're gonna connect it to the event. Well, the first thing we could do is get the actual GUI element. So if I go back here, to get the GUI, you're gonna do game.players.localplayer.player GUI. This is just the default you have to do every time you want to get a GUI element. So in yours, we're going to do a local function. We're going to call it the whatever. I don't know, whatever you want to call it. So you're going to do local. We're going to do text GUI is equal to everything else. Oh, okay. So it's going to be game dot players dot local player dot player GUI. And then after here, you can do that. You can do semicolon and wait for child. And then in here, you type out the one that you need. So I'm going to zoom in for you so you can see better. But you need to put the name of your GUI. So mine is called build mode GUI. Yours is called screen GUI. And then you want to put quotations around it. That way it searches for that. So make sure you put quotations on it. On both sides. That'll be important. If you don't, it's going to give you an error. Come on. Yeah, put quotations. No, you need to put quotations on it. I'm trying to tell you. Put quotation marks around it. So on where your screen GUI is, where the name, you got to put that in quotations. On wait for child. Yeah, like you got to put it on both sides. Yep. All right, there you go. Now it's going to work. So now what we want to do is connect it to the event. So right here, you're going to do the exact same thing. Basically, it's game, replicated storage, and you're getting the event that you're getting. So yours is called stage. So do the same thing as you did last time on the other script, where you did this. I'll show you. Yeah, you can just copy it. But instead of doing fire this time, we're going to do dot event, and then we're going to connect it. So just paste in what we had last time, basically. I didn't delete it there. Here, I'll just paste it in for you. So that's what you did last time. That's the fire one. I'll do fire one. So that's what we did last time, right? But we don't want this fire one. I'm gonna get rid of it. I'm gonna just do this over here. So we don't want that fire one. We're gonna delete that, and then you're gonna put dot event at the end, because this is when this is whenever it gets called, the event happens. We could do a capital E at the beginning. And then in semicolons, you can do connect. So that way it connects to whenever the event happens. And then you're going to create a empty function. So just do function and then put a variable name in there. What do you type in connect? That's what I'm telling you. So you type function, and then you do the parentheses. Not parentheses. Is it parentheses? I forgot. I think so. Yeah, the parentheses. And then you're gonna pass. You're gonna do parentheses, and inside of it, you're gonna type a value. You're gonna type val because that's that value we're getting. So when you press enter now, it should fill it in. It should finish it for you. Inside of here. So press enter in here. In between here, it'll fill the rest that you need. For like the end and stuff like that. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Right here. So you press enter, it's gonna autofill it for you because it's got that on there. So then it finishes that for you, and now we need another function to call, which will actually change the script. Or actually, we don't need another function. We can just do it in here. We'll just do it in there. It's make it easier. So here we're gonna do basically do the same thing. So we're gonna get your GUI. So in here we're gonna ask for your GUI, and we're gonna change the text label number or the value somewhere around here. The text. So now you just need to change the text in here, and that's all you have to do. So you get this text UI, you get the text label, and you change the text to stage and then the number that it's getting passed, which is value. Does that make sense? I hope that makes sense. Why is my music not playing? What's going on? What is going on? Music. Oh my gosh, dude. Where's my music? Alright. Wolf G, you're basically done. Just try to finish the rest on your own. So that you can kind of understand what's going on. Let me go over here. Let me do this. Playlist. No. No. Stop. We're not doing that one. Let's do the newest one, I guess. Okay, so where was I at? Let me see. Hey, what's up, Mad Cat? You have to leave in 25 minutes stuff. Mad Cat, let me show you what I got done. Wolf G, you have to finish it in here. Let me put a note real quick. Change the text inside of text label. So you gotta add code in there to change the text in there. Okay, Mad Cat. Let me do this. I was trying to help Wolf G a little bit with understanding how to do some stuff. To the value that we're passing through. It's fine. Wait, hold on. So Mad Cat, we got this. So we can place it. I think we had this last time. But we have the GUI popping up now. So like whenever you buy something or pick something you want, it switches to the editing, so you could edit real quick and then you can place it. And then it doesn't. We also got rid of the one where it, we got rid of the one where it like duplicates when you click on the shop multiple times. And we also have a cancel button, so now you can just uncancel your purchase. So that way you're not forced to purchase something. It's like So that's good. That's good. And then now we also have placing of stuff. So now we already had that, but we can move it around. and we can also cancel the movement. So like it'll remember where it was before. So if I click this, move it, cancel it, it goes back. I think that's pretty sick. I think that's it's very easy to do, but it's nice to have. I'm having some issues with this for some reason. No. I don't know. Thanks, man. Thanks. And you can rotate it when it's down on the floor too, but I actually have to make it not rotate when it's on the floor because it'll let you do stupid stuff like this. Wolf G, you need to... So value is going to be the number. I don't want to give you the answer all the time. I need you to do it on your own a little bit. So value is the number... Value. This is the number getting passed from the block. Text. So do text GUI. Get the text label. Text label. Change the text to the current checkpoint. All right, that should give you a little bit more information as to what you're doing. All right. But yeah, I've got that much progress done, Mad Cat. I think this is pretty good. I've got a couple of things I need to fix. So, like obviously the camera movement here a little bit, and then some other things. Money sucks, but thankfully you're making it better. Thanks, Fake. I appreciate it. So yeah, this is pretty sick. We got good progress, and next I'm gonna work on is getting a scrollable shop with different categories of things that we're gonna make. So the scrollable part shouldn't be too bad, but I need to add arrow buttons here so that way it scrolls. And I'll probably... You don't understand. What do I do? Wolf G, look, you gotta... I'll give you one thing. I'll give you one piece of information. So text UI dot text label dot text. So this you want to change when you reach a checkpoint. So you can make this equal to whatever. So like whatever text you want in there. But it would probably be better if you change it to something valuable. So like the stage you're on is going to be that. And then add the number value current checkpoint. All right. That's like basically everything. Like there's not much more I can do. Yeah. Alright, what else do I do? Okay, so the next step on my journey for this was... It's in the Discord, I don't remember exactly where. Here. Work on shop to be scrollable. I'm gonna change that on OBS so I remember. This should be good. Work on shop to be scrollable and make it so items are easy to add to the building shop list. As far as making it easy to add to the building shop list, that is going to be up to my own opinion. So that's kind of not the best. But I want it to be simple to add stuff here. So either I do like a JSON storage. So just like a text file storage and I save a bunch of stuff. Which I probably will do since that sounds pretty easy. And that sounds like the easiest way to add stuff. But obviously they wouldn't have functionalities at that point. But at the same time, I just give them a name, and then from their name, it'll give them the functionality. So honestly, I don't really know. Yeah. I don't know. We'll figure out the functionalities and everything else later. Right now, we're just working out getting this stuff placed. Getting this stuff working. This is just the shop. This is the build editing station. This is not the like the actual working stuff yet. So, work on shop be scrollable and make it so items are easy to add in the shop list. Okay, so to make items scrollable, we're gonna have a couple things first. First thing we're gonna need is, let me see. Hurry out! Hurry out! Hurry out! Get back here. So the first thing I need to do is go to build mode UI. I don't know, just whatever number. We're gonna add a text button. This will be basically the same thing as the rotating one on here. So I'm gonna enable this so I could just get the text. Oh wait, I don't need to enable it. You see that? Okay, object left. I'll grab the arrow. Do that. And then we'll scale the text up so that way it looks nice. Bold. This is temporary, but it is semi-permanent. Left arrow. I'm not going to put spaces because it makes it harder in decoding. So left arrow. And then we're going to do text button. Yes. Well, actually, let me just... Can I duplicate this? I can. Can I move it? Please. 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 Alright, nice. This will be right arrow. I should do right scroll. So it's not the same name as the other ones. Left scroll. And then rotate right. I'm gonna get this arrow. Right scroll. Get the arrow changed. Alright, perfect. So the only thing with this is I'm going to programmatically add things to the list here. So to do that, we're going to get the Y position at 869. And I need to figure out how big these are. Size. So they're 100x. So we do 152. So I'm gonna I'm probably not gonna do a block. I'm probably just gonna do an image button. That makes everything easier for me. We can make it bigger. Make it a little bigger. Should be good. And then I'm gonna make the size just 100. Will tools for theft be added in order to steal the animals to sell them back to the people? Yeah. I'm working on a lot of the base stuff first, like the actual like sanctuary stuff first, so that way when I work on that stuff later, it'll feel cooler instead of just like, because like realistically tools are very easy to make. You just click a tool and then, or you just make a tool, or you just say, hey, whenever you click the mouse and you point at an animal and you're close to it, then you capture it. That's basically what it's going to be. It's like when you're close to it, you click on it, you capture it. I could do a minigame in the future But for now, I'm probably going to keep it simple like that. But I do want to do that later. I want to kind of categorically do things one at a time. I don't really, I don't like jumping around too much. Yeah. Yeah. So, I'm also doing some mental things right now, really quick. Ooh. Okay, so another thing, let me see. How do I get to UI stuff? I feel like frame, I guess. So the frame is going to be over and below. It's gonna do that, and then we're gonna. This is a little bit of the website designing stuff. Like, so I don't want the frame above. How do I get this below? Z index 0. Yeah, 0. All right, so that looks good, and then we'll do a nice gray. All right, and I'm probably gonna have to do a couple other frames. So this is 0. The image buttons, the index need to be. I'm gonna do 1 for these, and the arrow scrolls are gonna be 2. Right? So I'm gonna have this. I'll show you what I'm doing in a second. So I'm gonna add 2 more frames. So we're gonna do this, and then we're gonna grab this color again, and we're just gonna copy paste this. Frame goes in here. We're gonna put it on this side. And now this frame Z index shall be 2. The arrows will be 3. And then the images will be 2 or 1. So now whenever we're scrolling, it's gonna disappear right here. So that way it doesn't go underneath the button and look weird. I'll probably make it a little smaller. I'll have to fine tune everything later, but it should be okay right now. And then I'm going to create another image button just so I can see the differences in sizings. So if I'll keep it on here. It's the size of 100. So if I change the position by 100, we're at 0.004. So I'll do 100. What is that even? What am I doing? Oh wait, go back. All right, so if I do 100, 100 is very little. So 400. Oh, what the frick? 150. 200. Okay, so 200. I'm gonna say it's half, right? You're also coding, but rather graphics wise. Okay. All right, well, that's fine. So I can keep them at a gap of 200. I think 200 looks good. Let's do 400, and I do 200 on this guy. That's pretty good. And then I do 600. Oh, 600 is really big. 500? 450? Alright, I'm gonna have to figure this out a little bit better. Let's keep it let's do X of on this one. 100 maybe? I don't know. Oh, this is scaled X, that's why. I don't want scaled X. Do I want scaled X? I don't think so. I think that's the only one that's active available. So break. One. Oh, okay. Offset of 100. 100. Where did it go? I'm so lost. Oh my gosh. Where the freak? Where the freak? Okay. Offset 200. Okay, so offset's the one I want to work with. Yeah, offset's the one I want to work with. So it's 0. It's in there. So 100. 100's good. And then we'll do 200. Wait, why is this one? Okay, so keep them at the scale of that. I'm going to do 200. 250. So we'll separate them by 100 and 200. No, we'll separate them by 125. No, we will not. 225. Well, 125. It's a gap of 125. So the first one starts at 100. This one starts at 225. And that'll be good, I think. So I'm going to add a... Is there any way I can group these up? Maybe. That way I don't not like... A scrolling frame? Oh my gosh. Don't tell me I've been working on something stupid for the whole time. That's okay. Oh, sorry. Hamster wave. Oh my gosh. Busted by... Wait, what about... I'm not reading chat. This is old. Can I upload unlimited games on Roblox or limit? I have no idea. Busted Bibbled. Hamster wave. Yo, what is the game I'm making? I'm making an Animal Sanctuary Tycoon. But right now I'm setting up a build mode for the thing. And I'm setting up the UI for purchasing of stuff right now. This is like the basics of it, but I want to have like a working concept of what I want for a feature. Sorry for not keeping up with chat. That's not my bad. That's my bad. What's up, Mike Azar? So okay, so what's next? Right now, so let me start this up for you so you can see. So right now we've got build mode, and the camera doesn't work anymore. What? I didn't change anything. Do you also use Blender or something like that? I don't use anything. I'm gonna have someone else do Blender for me, and I'm working on this game as a 2-person, but the other person's working on the graphics of it. But they are using Blender. You want to make the build mode scrollable? You could do Blender. I'm gonna make the build mode. I'm gonna make it go side to side, so it scrolls left and right, so you can like scroll through the shop and see what you want to buy. And I could also have a search bar up here to have it, so you can search up for specific things. Also, I should do that. This part's probably gonna take a while, I think. Yeah, the cameras just stopped working for me. Block is not a valid member of... Oh, that's why. Yeah, we're gonna have to ignore that for now. I'm not working with you anymore. You're done. Why are you using arrows to scroll instead of scroll bar? What is a scrolling frame? Hold on. Mike Zar, I am brand new to Roblox. So, yeah. I'm still learning a lot of stuff. How long does it take to make games like that? I have no idea. So just so you guys have some understanding of where I am at, I've been programming in Roblox stuff for like a week and a half at this point. I'm a seasoned programmer in different things, but I've never made a game on my own entirely yet. Well, this is not gonna be a game on me. I'm having someone else do the visual stuff, but yeah, I'm brand new. But I do have quite a bit done. I'm gonna call this block. I can show you guys what I have done for now. Build my UI block. So if I name this block, I can show you guys what I've actually gotten done. Wait, freak. It's not working. Player GUI, build mode UI, that block. It's not a valid member of image button. Oh. We're just gonna get rid of that, and that should work. What am I doing? Okay. I'll look at that in just a second. So right here, I've got kind of a building area set up. You know nothing about programming, but I find it interesting. Dude, programming is so interesting and so fun to me. It's all of it for me. It's all of it. But yeah, basically you can place, you can move it, and you can cancel the movement so it goes back to where it was. And then you can also rotate it, of course. And so that's what I have so far. And then I've got a janky camera movement set up. And you can purchase land tiles so you can place in other areas like that. The part is in the ground. That's okay. That's alright. That's what's supposed to be like that. It's supposed to be. We're still working on it, Mike. You hope it's the primary part of the models? How am I supposed to know? I don't know. I don't have anyone here telling me how to do stuff. Just doing it. I don't know. I got it working, right? That's all that matters. Look, man. I don't know what's going on. I just know it's working. All this stuff is testing stuff. Basically, okay, to be fair, Mike Czar, so here's a couple things that I'm trying to keep in mind that I don't usually keep in mind. One, I'm not trying to do things properly the first time. I'm just trying to get them functional the first time. That is like the biggest problem I usually have is I try to make everything perfect the first time, even though I'm still learning. When I learned Unity and stuff like that, I was still trying. I was like focused on trying to do it right and like do it perfectly instead of just having fun and making it work, because it's like the whole point of it. And then after I get it to work, I'm gonna refine everything and make everything work properly. Like this camera I'm holding forward. It's not going forward right now. This is like, yeah, it's broken, but I don't care. I'm still working on it. Get down. And I have my cat breaking everything in my room. Bye, my cat. Have fun with whatever you're doing. Yo, Wolf G, let me see. What'd you do? Changing the game idea? What are you changing it to? Alright. Let me see. What am I working on? Why does the stream randomly pause for me? Hamster wave? I have no idea. I have no clue. My stream also kind of does it every once in a while. Alright, anyways, hopefully that gets fixed because I'd rather the stream not keep getting paused. Oh, actually, hamster wave. I don't know if this is what happened, but if you watch a YouTube video off of a shorts for some reason, even though you definitely could not have watched this video off of a shorts video, if you somehow have a shorts behind it and you slightly move the screen, YouTube pauses it and it's really stupid. You think it's your internet? Could be. Could be the internet. Could be my internet. I'm not gonna lie. It could be mine. All right. Anyways, it's it could be a lot of different reasons. Would you be making the buttons have an image or a model view? How do you do a model view? Preferably, I would probably do an image and have just take like screenshots of it, or like do something that makes it look nice. That might be it, and I'm sure it's something about internet because the pause thing comes up when it pauses too. Okay, viewport frame. Hold on. Viewport frame. Oh, you say in your inventory system? I'm gonna have to search up how to use the viewport frame. That sounds interesting. I was thinking just gonna set up pictures and have someone either draw pictures or whatever the model looks like. I'm gonna just take a good screenshot of it. That was like my idea for base, and then I was gonna edit it to make it look good because I have like Photoshop skills, not other skills. But yeah, I need to work on this stuff right now. Viewer frame is like a 3D object inside GUI. Yeah, it's I kind of understand, but I don't fully. So I'll figure it out later. But yeah, I will think about. I'll try using it, and then I'll see if I like it or not. I'm assuming it's kind of like this, maybe. You kind of see it like that. Is that kind of an example? I don't know. What it needs is a camera and a model. Oh. Oh. Interesting. Used it twice? Alright, well... Wait, Mikazar, what games have you made? Have you made any games? Or do you just have fun programming on a Roblox studio? Where am I at? Hey Jada. Jada, look at the build mode. So I'm working on a shop right now. So when you go into build mode, you can play stuff. It's kind of like on a grid, kind of. Game's average 30 to 50 is pretty crazy. That's pretty good. What's the name of the game? I'll try it out later. I want to try it. But yeah, you can move it around. You can rotate it. Yeah, of course I want to check it out. Of course. You can move it around, and then you can also move it and cancel it, Jada. And it works pretty well. And I'm working on making a scrollable shop right here. So that way you can look through the things. And then also probably add a search bar and categories and stuff. Yours is 0 to 2. Name is called Helping Seats. Okay, I'm gonna look at that in a minute. Or I'll probably just look at it right now, honestly. It's not a big deal. If only it was that good. Helping Seats. It's not really about being good at programming. It's more just like having an idea, I think. All right. You got the special effects. You got the teleport. You got that music. I'll leave it on. I won't leave it on. Teleport. Beginnings. The beginnings. Okay. See coins leaderboard. You have a whole leaderboard? Oh my gosh. Update in 6 seconds. Welcome to Helping Seats. Pair up with someone to start the journey. There is a checkpoint every 100 meters. Invite and play with your friend for the best experience. Oh. Guess I'll play by myself. Where'd you get the tool? Whoa. Justinator is a developer? You're just the owner. What is that about? Event place? Oh, I guess I'm dead. Why don't I have a tool? Do I get a shop? Oh, I have a friend. Someone joined. Can I get the white one? 200 game dollars. How do I... Oh, request. You ladies all right. Nice. We got it. Here, get on. Ooh, we got a little rope experience going on. That's pretty weird. Go. Now you help me. Now you get me. Pick me up. Sick. This is pretty cool. Oh, I fell. Wait, this game's pretty sick. I kind of like this. Wait, let me get back on. You wish to make an easier mountains, but I have to make a linked assets. What does that mean? I made a shop system. Nice. Nice job, Wolfie. The guy tried jumping on my chair. That's awesome. You can't go in first person? Wait, get me back on there. I'm trolling. Right. For example, skin effects. Managed to make an easier mountain, but I have to make linked assets. Oh, okay. Make use of the shift block by pressing shift or shift lock. Anybody? Whoa, what the heck? Wait, what is this? Oh, it moves the character. Okay. Oh my gosh, you're trolling me. Oh my gosh, you're trolling me. You're trolling me. You're trolling me. That's your fault. That's your fault. Wait, this game's pretty sick though. I kind of like this. If I want to add a new skin, I have to update every place. I don't know what you mean by every place. I don't. Is like each server its own place or something? I'm kind of confused on that one. But if the skins were linked assets, I could publish one and apply it to every other place. Oh, okay. Okay. All right. That's enough of this game for me now. I need to go back. I'm gonna go back. Soon you'll work on that? That's fair. Find a new skin, have to update every place. Okay. Yeah, I'll have to figure out how to... I'm gonna put Minesweeper Micazar. Yeah, Fire Red has a... Or Fake Red? I'm not saying Fire Red. Fake Red has a really good Minesweeper game. Alright, so... Oh, also you're on mobile? Okay, so... It's unplayable in mobile. Lucky. That's funny. Alright, so working on a shop. I'm gonna do the positions off by 125, I think. Are all of you programmers? Fakers are Mike. Oh, no. What am I saying? Fake Red. I'm so bad at this. Why am I saying your name so horribly? Fake Red is a programmer. Mike Azar is a programmer. Syntax from way earlier is a programmer. We got like 3 or 4 programmers there. Wolfg's programming right now. Red. Call you Red. Good idea. Red is a programmer. We got a lot of programmers here. From Among Us. Oh my gosh. That's so bad. That's so bad. That's so bad. Alright, yeah, there's a bunch of different people that are programmers here. Image button. Okay, so I have to do this when it initializes. How do I do that? So when it loads, I need to assign a bunch of image things, and now that I'm thinking about it, how do I get it when it clicks? I guess I assign a new function. A new event. Syntax has never used these events, and I'm using all of the bindable events. Is crazy. Item purchased. Your item shop, select the selection. All right, so we're gonna have to do something along the lines of what is the for loop? So for I, comma. Dude, I kind of forgot how to do Lua for loops, not gonna lie. Lua for loop. Okay, so for I equals 1, we'll do 10, do something. Nope. Okay, so local image button is equal to instance dot new image. Can I make an image button? Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. This isn't looking good for me right now. Real Very confused on how do I load images. Nope. How to make image move. Nope. Instance on new text button. Image button. Oh, I can. I can do that. Class name of the new instance to create. So it works. It works. Image or image button dot parent. Oh, use quotation marks. You were telling me how to do it. Oops. Sorry. I was looking at this. I should probably go back to this mode. Thank you, Mike Sir, for telling me that. Even though I kind of ignored it until I already got the answer. My music is gone again. Why does my music keep disappearing? This is lame. This is lame, dude. We need fire music that keeps me awake while I'm supposed to be sleeping. That's the vibe I'm going for right now. Play this one. This one works. Okay, so we got image button dot parent is equal to build mode GUI dot. I mean, it's just the parent stat, right? All right, so when I start the game, I should have 10 new ones in here. We should listen to Banger. What is Banger? Bangerang? I don't like Bangerang. I'm not doing Bangerang. That's not happening. That's not happening. Where was I at? So it didn't work. It didn't work. It didn't work. What is this song? I'm skipping that one. We're skipping this one. This is kind of mid. I feel like this is the whole playlist is kind of mid. Hold on. New playlist? This one. Okay. But why is this not working? Because I technically should have like a billion popping up in here. Right? I think. It sounds right to me. See you next stream if you're online. All right, bye Hamster Wave. It'll probably be in 2 days. Have a good time. Thanks for being here. Peace out. So I get 10 prints of that. So I know the loop is working. What could be the issue? Could they not be active? Image button dot active is equal to true, but they would still be. They would still technically be in here, wouldn't they? Like they wouldn't be in this side. They would be in their GUI. Oh wait, no. Wait, hold on. You're nearly done with a FNAF joke, and all I have to do is bounce it. Nice. Wait, hold on. Maybe the default properties could be the cause. Okay. Also, I don't think they would be in here, would they? They would probably be in like the players, local players, starter player GUI, Bomo GUI. It would be in here, wouldn't it? So those 10 image buttons could be hidden inside the first image button. Oh. Oh. They could be inside of the first button. to the first. You mean behind? Like they're behind them, or you mean like literally inside of? Like on here. Hold on. Players, dolphins, player GUI, build mode GUI. No. Use UDIM2 for UI position. Or because I was just seeing if they were gonna pop up here. Maybe only one of them's getting created. Maybe I'll do this out here. Image button is equal to instance.new image button. To nil. Can you pin the game to profile? I have no idea. I have no clue. Probably. It's equal to nil. And let me also image button dot name is equal to new button. And copy that just in case it deletes. Cool. Didn't delete. You don't need to set it as a global value. Is it a global value? It's just a local. I know I don't have to, but I just wanted to see if that would be an issue or not. Image button, player stuff is player GUI, new button. It's not a valid member of. Activate is not. Well, activate is not, but I'll leave this. We'll leave that empty then. Image button will go null, and then image button, and we're gonna concatenate that with I. The next thing I'm gonna do is activate is just active. Okay. Time to call. Okay, that's fine. So players, local player, GUI. Okay, we have it. We have them. They're coming up now. They're good. I guess my other question is it gonna pop up in here? That's fine. That'll be okay. It's kind of good now. It kind of works. Image button dot size is equal to. We'll see that. That's not gonna work, is it? Size. Oh. Use UDIM2. Represents a two-dimensional value where each dimension. Oh, okay. Just that. All right, cool. Thank you. Dimensional 2 UI. It takes two vectors, two vector 2s, and then for the position, it's also basically gonna be the same thing. Image button dot position is equal to UDIM2. Use UDIM2, not UDIM2. Not the parentheses. Is it gonna cause an error? It's to call a table value. Okay. So how do I do this then? Is that new? Like that? Maybe? This work? That works. I think. Okay, well the size is gonna be that, the position is gonna be that position. We're gonna do 125 times I for the X, right? Yeah, it's gonna be that. But it's actually be 100 times I minus 1. So plus 125. Obviously, this is going to be first. So we're going to do that just to make sure it's first. So now it's going to go to the right, hopefully, as it iterates through them. Why is that one so wide? Okay, the other problem I'm having right now is that the player GUI is like... We got the buttons here, right? The positions aren't being set. Positions are just 0. Okay. Oh, watch it. Psychopath. Take me. Take me. Okay, so why is the position not getting set? I'm probably just doing something wrong, I'm assuming. Right? I'm just doing something wrong. Is it the UDIM2? Maybe I'm not understanding how the UDIM2. I'm gonna search it up. I'm gonna search it up. UDIM2. Oh, I just... Okay, that makes more sense. So that should work? Oh yeah, look at that. We got buttons up here now. Let's go. Tell me you want me back, maniac. Alright. We've got it. We've got the buttons on the screen programmatically. Let's go. Let's go. Now why are they so off? Let me screenshot this so I can kind of just see what's going on. We'll put it to the left. How'd I move? That's fine. Okay. So now I can look at the positions. Border size pixel, border transparency. Okay. Border size pixel, we're gonna actually set that to 0. We're gonna do that inside of there. Interactable, that's fine. Layout order 0 is good. Modal is fine. Okay, a lot of these things are pretty okay. The position, so the Y relative, the Y scale is at 0.874. Ooh, that's a little off. The Y scale is at, the offset's at 0. Maybe that's why? What number was that? What number was I working with? No. Can you join the game and let me join too? I'm gonna keep working on this, Wolf. I'm a little busy. Alright, I want to try to get this done today, Wolf G. And I'm kind of struggling right now. So the size looks fine. Which one am I clicking on though? Which one is that one? I would assume it's button 1, right? No? Newish push button? It's gotta be one of these. I mean, I guess I'll just work on a different one. Dude, how do I select the button? Why is this so difficult? Why? Why did this work earlier? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Alright, I think it's this one. Because I have that here. Offset 0? Okay. That's what it was. So in the code, I'm gonna set this to 0. I'm I'm gonna set the scale to this. Okay. Okay. And then there is something else we need to set. I need to have the border pixel size. Image button dot border size pixel equals 0. And what else? The z index has to be 1, I think. Is that what I had it? Yeah, z index is 1. That's okay. I don't have to change that. Then background colors. Days fade. Whew. Okay. That's pretty good. And these are image buttons, right? So I can add an image to them. Yeah, I'll add that later. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. No, it's saved. Okay, we're good. So now when we press play, it should be... Yep. Nice! Let's go! That looks clean. That's clean. Alright, now we can get rid of the base ones. And now we have these down here. Oh. Block is not available. Oh, that's fine. We'll just comment this out. This will be temporarily not available. It looks clean. Thanks, Fake Red. Thanks, Red. I think it looks pretty clean too. I'm pretty happy with it. All right, now we got it programmatically. I don't like that it's... Why does that do that? That's weird. This should not be doing that. It should be for prioritizing whatever's on top. Not the whole layer. Right? Not just me. That's not just a me thing. So whatever's in this position is gonna have to be disabled, I think. Clips descendants. Determines if descendants GUI outside of the bounds of a parent GUI limit should be rendered. I don't know. Alright, well, the other thing I'm gonna have to do is that I'm gonna have to attach a script to it. How do I attach a script to something? No, don't do this to me. Because whenever they get clicked, I need to get the information as to when they click. So whenever I click on the button, right? I need to get the information from this button, like what the name is. I basically just need to get the name. If I can get the name of the button, that's all I need. So how do I set it so that way I can get the name of the button back when I click it? So image button dot mouse button. I guess that would be the easiest way to do it. Mouse button down, connect, function. I guess that's easy. Yeah, I'm gonna set that up after. I'll set that up after. First, I need to... I think, right? I can have the information later, but I just, like... I was just trying to figure this out, but I can just connect it to this, and I can connect it to function. Local function. Button clicked. Button clicked. Now we'll pass through image button dot name. This is all I think I needed before. Name. Unknown global button clicked. Button clicked. Alright, that should be good. Alright. Let's say, and then you use a for I stuff for loop them. Yeah, alright. Does this, I think, you just need to have the folder with a bunch of information. I don't know what you mean by that, but I kind of am curious about what you meant. But I think this will work for what I want. Print name. I'm gonna copy this. Okay, well, because an issue. Send to index nil with name. Just put stuff inside a folder. Put these inside of a folder. Put the stuff in here inside of a folder. Like these. Will this work? Hey, it works. Okay, well that was kind of a stupid solution. Okay, no, so it doesn't click all the buttons here. That's okay. Alright, well, it kind of works. I'm not gonna... This works. Wait, what did you do? So instead of passing the name, because the image button gets deleted as soon as we get to the next one, and once it's over, they get deleted once the loop is done. So instead of passing the name through, I just passed the text of the name connecting to their mouse button down. So it passes their literal name instead of the actual, like, instead of the name. So that way it's a static variable instead of a you know. Because this is going to go nil at some point. Yeah, it works too. I feel like this is the easier solution. And the only one I could come up with. I feel like I always come up with... I feel like I'm coming up with so many dumb solutions that for some reason you and Syntax just don't think of. Because like you're like, oh yeah, you just do it this way. And then I'm like, I'll just do this one line of code. And you're like, what? How did that work? I think I've done it like multiple times now, which honestly I'm kind of happy about. It works pretty well. So, you know what? This is good. This is good. I'm pretty happy with this. If it's not broken, it works. True. That's how it works. That's just how it works. The door is broken, but that's okay. I'm trying to think of how I would have done that in Unity. How would I have done that in Unity? I don't know. Well, actually, I do know. I think it's very different in Unity, so I think I do know how I would do it. But here, it's a little weirder. But I kind of like it. It's kind of fun. Let's go, baby! It works! It works! That's all that matters. Nothing else matters. All right. Red, I'm happy you were here for 3 hours. You're probably not the whole 3 hours, but you know what I'm saying. Dude, I don't stream for very long. I don't work at this game much now that I think about it. I'm making good progress at only 3 hours a day. You're probably here for 2 hours? Yeah, you probably were here for about 2 hours. But thank you for being here. It's very fun when you join. I really enjoy it. But I am gonna end it though. I might do a long stream one day, but I'm still thinking about that. Still thinking about it. I know like these short streams are pretty fun, and like a couple people join and people miss it, and they're like, "No, I missed it," but like it's funny. All right, well I'll see you later, and I'll see who else is in. Is Wolf Street still here? I don't know who's still here. See ya, Fake Red. Bye, anyone.